Hello guys, it's me JimmyaGeek. So here is the Apple Pencil. This is not the real Apple Pencil. Let me be honest with you. This is the capacitive pencil. I use it work on anything, any capacitive screen. So it's very easy. Just click this button, and then you can start using it. I mean, really, that simple it is. For example, let me sketch something. Go to Sketch. Okay, and then let me sketch something as fast as possible. For example, like new. Sorry, not logging. New sketch. Okay, discard. Okay, let me use this pen. For example, let me go to this color, red. Okay, let me see. I can easily, draw whatever I want, as you can see here. For example, like I can type. Yeah, so it worked very good, to be honest with you. I can navigate wherever I want. So it was me, JimmyaGeek. Subscribe and bye.